Although crime victims had rights, there was nothing we could do to protect and enforce our rights.
Almost every woman has had an experience with violent crime or knows someone who has. Tonight, a new law gives survivors the chance to fight back. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5, everybody. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. We're talking about Marcy's Law. It's something we've been covering for years now. The law gives victims the right to be notified of their rights, the right to be notified of public hearings, and the right to be present for crucial court decisions.
After years of fighting for more protection, Amy Steigerwald joins us live from the State House to break the emotion felt by survivors today. Amy?
Good evening, Andrew and Yolanda. Yes, victim advocates tell me that, this is really a step forward when it comes to giving survivors options, especially if they do end up wanting to go after their abuser.
It's been 2 decades since Sophia Pfiffner says she was raped. And while she's moved on with her life, Pfiffner has never let go of what could have happened if she knew the legal battles she was up against.
By the time I even knew or understood what my rights were, my rape kit had been destroyed. I realized that my records were incredibly sloppy.
And because of that, Pfiffner was not able to get justice. But that has not stopped her from helping others through the Ohio Crime Victims Justice Center. She says the new language in House Bill 343 will help survivors of sexual assault and other crimes know what privacy protections are in place for them as soon as they come forward to law enforcement.
As someone who grew up in a family who didn't have access to wealth or an attorney or to know what step you take when something terrible or unthinkable happens, it's an incredible value add to every single Ohioan.
Elizabeth Well with the Ohio Crime Victims Justice Center says from a legal standpoint, these protections will make it easier to bring abusers to justice. Wells says some victims are hesitant to come forward because if they do, things like their name and address will be public record.
I absolutely think more people will come forward knowing that in the first moment of contact with law enforcement, they can elect to have that information removed from public record.
And Sophia added, had these types of protections been in place when she experienced her trauma, the outcome may have been much different. Live in downtown Columbus, Amy Steigerwald, 10 TV News.